soaking wet clothes. I called you from a payphone. Could barely hear what you said, but you told me that I'm no longer the one you want. I don't know why you left, I don't know why, I didn't get a chance to say goodbye. I know it's been a year, but sometimes I still shed a tear thinking of you. What can I say? These feelings won't go away. Time keeps passing by, but I can't get you off my mind. These feelings won't go away, away. Try to be strong. I'm holding on. I practice my best fake smile so that no one can see how I've been feeling inside. I don't know why you left, I don't know why, I didn't get a chance to say goodbye. I know it's been a year, but sometimes I still shed a tear thinking of you. What can I say? These feelings won't go away. Time keeps passing by,